Alright, I'm back for a quick video. I just finished this up as far as getting all the mud guards and all the battery trays and receivers in, or receiver box and servo in. What I'm going to do now is I've got these body mounts in, and I'm going to take my old crusty Nero body that I actually had on my Techno ET48, and I sold that, and the guy did not want this body. So here is what I'm going to use. This is an awesome little tool. This is a body reamer. I believe that these are fairly cheap if you shop around, and unless you go drilling holes in a bunch of bad stuff, it should be just fine. But let's man, I know my pin's gone. My pin is gone. Maybe I can use like a nail to get it started. So what I want to do is just see if I can get this to work. So I'm going to push down. I know it'll work. I'm sure it'll look like crap too, but I'm going to go ahead and not do this. This is not working. Let's see if I got it. Yeah, I got a thing in there. But if you don't have a body reamer, you should get one. They're pretty awesome. Alright. Leaves a nice clean hole. Sorry, my fingers are in the way. And I just go for it. I just go all as far down as it'll go. Leaves a nice deburred hole. I'm actually just curious how this body mount's going to work on an angle like that. Yep, I'm going to have to raise it up. I can't see it. I'm going to stab myself with my body reamer. It's over here. I can't see it. Wow, that's amazing. I'm getting old. Another cool thing is I just bought, I think I'm going to raise this body mount up and then do that hole. Hold on. Okay, so trying to get this lined up the best I can. There's paint right there, so I can't really see. But I got this body mount is actually in the hole a little bit. So get that guy started. And then just ream her out again. Pretty good. This guy is pretty sharp, so you don't want to leave it laying around. My kids want to play with every tool that I have. Alright, so hopefully I can pop this guy off and we can see fit. This needs to be taller. I got taller ones of these. Pop this guy off real quick. Oops. And I gotta swing it around so I can see. Alright. I'm not running little flappy things on there right now because these holes actually are right here on this angle. So this isn't the most ideal body for this. So I gotta figure out a way to get that to work. Body posts need to go the other way. I think that might help. Anyway, that's where we're at. Alright, I'm back. So I'm getting this body to work on this. These are the Outcast body mounts. I'm using these body mounts. And I need to drill it out because I need to have the body fit in here. Well, actually in here, so I need it to go this way. I don't know if you can actually see what I was doing. I need the body post to sit in there like that, not like that. So, I took this drill bit. I'm going to take this drill here, and it's probably, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch drill. Just kidding. It's a 2.5 millimeter drill. It's under 100 thou. And what I'm going to attempt to do is, first I need my drill. And load this guy up. Make sure it's running straight. And I need a guide. So I want my holes to be straight through. So what I'm going to try to do, and of course I'm going to use an old one to test it out on. I'm going to clamp them together like this because they're the same thickness. So I'm hoping I can use my handy dandy Harbor Freight. And I'm just going to eyeball 90 degrees. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it'll sure look nicer. But I want to put the, let's see, I'll just butt it up here. And then clamp it, and hopefully I can still drill it after I clamp it, which I need to do it this way. So this needs to be, oops, I'm throwing things. So this guy needs to be up like that. I'll stick it in here like so. I want them clamped. I don't know if they're both going to clamp. I think I can still do it with this not being clamped. I think it'll still help. So I'm just going to take this. I want this hole down here. Hopefully it went through somewhat straight. Better than I could have done by eyeballing it. And give it a quick deburr. As long as that screw goes through, we're good enough. It looks pretty good, actually. My deburr job is not very good, but as long as it fits in the hole, we'll be fine. So, here's how it looks. So it's approximately 90 degrees. I just eyeballed it. So that will allow me to stick this guy in here and have it run that way. So, moment of truth. Let's see if it goes in. Hole right there. There we go. We're good. So let's try the other one. Remember how I did it. Alright, just finishing up the other one here. Get that guy installed. That actually worked pretty good, capturing that like that. It also made it so that my holes are in the same spot. So they should be the same height. There we go. Man, the rest of the day is going to shit now because that plan worked. Okay, so here it is. Here is the body I'm going to use. This body actually, when I got it, the guy had painted it, and of course all the paint's coming off. Anyway, this had a light kit under it. It was made for driving it at night. I don't drive my cars at night. So let's see if this lines up. It's just not that bad. A couple body clips right here. And then that's going to work right there. So I think we got it. Okay. Here it is. That is the finished product. It actually looks okay. Slap some tires on it, take some pictures. Maybe. It's kind of hot. Anyway, let me know what you think of this down in the comments. Like I said, it's an old beater body. It's actually made for an ARRMA Nero. I have two more beater Nero bodies left up there. I actually really enjoyed my Nero, I must say, but I won't be getting another one. Yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this. Pretty cool body. It is like I said, that clear spot there, that's actually for a light kit. Some cool little things on it. Looks good with the bumper. So anyhow, thank you. Like, subscribe, and comment down below.